Prior to this experience, I had only eaten duck like twice. Hi, I'm Stewart Gray. I'm the executive chef at A Seat Serve, and today we're going to be enjoying Peking duck. The process is pretty unique. Traditionally, it was prepared for emperors. There's two different parts of the duck. There's the skin, and then there's the meat from the duck itself, and we serve those separately. The skin you should enjoy on its own. Dip it in a little bit of our 5-spice sugar. It's like little chips. I mean, it's almost like a chicharron. It's really, really good. The meat we serve with a mushu crepe, which is kind of like a Chinese tortilla that you roll up with some sauce, hoisin, cucumber, leek, and then you eat it like a wrap. When you come in and enjoy Peking duck and you have a carcass left over, we'll chop it up for you and send it home with everything that you need to make ramen the next day. So noodles, poached eggs, bean sprouts, all the toppings. All you have to do is add water, boil it, and you have a ramen. So the ducks begin their journey at Culver Duck Farms in Indiana. It's all humanely raised. They're actually certified by the American Humane Society. When we get the ducks in-house, we stuff them with some wok charred aromatics and a little bit of a spice paste that's made with sesame hoisin. After that, we sew them up with a bamboo rod, and we stick an air compressor hose into the breast, and we pump it full of air, basically make it like a duck balloon. So all the skin is separated from the meat, and then we dip it into a boiling brine, tightens the skin back onto the duck, and it cures it a little bit so that it can dry age. It also just adds a ton of flavor to the meat itself. And then they get roasted in the oven in the morning, and then before people come in and enjoy them, we drop them in the deep fryer. Just in case it wasn't enough, we take a blowtorch and we just crisp up the skin before it walks out of the kitchen. I think people are really surprised by like the tableside carving element of it. It's universally positive. People love it. Yeah.